Hello guys, welcome to the Shanktari. This is where we discuss herbs and spices for healthy living. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe to this channel. You have a lot to gain in this channel. Do not forget to give me thumbs up and also turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss anything in this channel. To my returning viewer, thank you very much. Thank you for sticking to this channel. I cannot thank you guys enough. Okay, thank you. So this is bay leaf. Okay, this is bay leaf. A lot of you know bay leaf. So apart from using this bay leaf to spice our jollof rice, you can actually use this bay leaf for so many other things. Okay, like using it for diabetes. Okay, you can use it for diabetes. You can use it for insomnia. You can use it against kidney disease. You can use it for cardiovascular disease. You can also use it for dandruff in the hair and hair lice. Okay, so how do you use this leaf? Get some of this bay leaf, wash it thoroughly, and put them in a pot, add water, boil it for about 10-15 minutes. Then you have something like this. Okay, though it's a little bit bitter. Okay, you can take just half a glass like this morning and evening. You will see the power of nature. Okay. So if you want to use it for dandruff, that means you are going to use it to wash the hair. Okay, use it to wash the hair. Same thing applies to hair lice. You use it to wash the hair. Thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video.